In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twitch account to Discord. By the end, your Twitch and Discord will be linked so Discord can recognize your Twitch identity, which is especially handy for things like subscriber roles and letting your community know where you stream. You won't need anything fancy, just your Discord and Twitch accounts ready to go. Start in Discord. Look to the bottom left of the app, right next to your profile picture. Click the little gear icon to open your user settings. This is where all your personal settings live, including the place where we link other services. Inside user settings, find and click the Connections section. Connections is a dedicated area where Discord shows logos for platforms it can link with. This makes it simple and centralized, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. Now, locate the Twitch icon and select it. Discord will open a small browser window or prompt asking you to authenticate. Log in with your Twitch account to confirm it's really you. If you already have Twitch open in your browser, it may recognize you automatically. Otherwise, sign in and approve the connection when prompted. This authorization step is normal and secure. It lets Twitch tell Discord, yes, this is the correct account, without sharing your password with Discord. Once you've authenticated, head back to Discord, and you should see your Twitch account listed in the Connections page. That's it, your accounts are linked. If you're in any Discord servers that sync with Twitch, they can now recognize your Twitch status and apply relevant perks. You don't need to change anything else unless you want to manage or disconnect the link later, which you can do from this same screen. If something doesn't work right away, try a quick refresh of Discord or sign out and back in. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't preventing the authorization window from appearing. If the wrong Twitch account appears, simply disconnect it on the Connections page and repeat the process with the correct one. And if you use two-factor authentication on Twitch, be ready to enter your code when asked. This is just an extra security measure. That's all there is to it. You click the gear icon, went to Connections, selected the Twitch icon, logged in to authenticate, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your Twitch and Discord working together seamlessly.